Hey, Lazy Girl Approved fam. I am back today with another wig review. It feels good to finally be getting back into them. I haven't been feeling so good lately, and work has been kicking my butt. And then there was a neighbor, but he is now selling his house. Thank you, Lord. Seriously. Um, anyways, let's get to the review today, which is for Zury Sis, another Zury Sis. They've been coming out with crazy colors, and I just ordered some more. We'll see when they get here. They're supposed to get here next week of Sua, Dua, and Lua. But this is Vicky in Rose Rain. Vicky in Rose Rain. So let's get her out of the package and see what she looks like. All right, here's the card. Now, if you are having withdrawals for TT Rosemary, you might want to go get this lovely. She's stunning. Definitely strawberry shortcake vibes. Now, she is not available on the site I purchased from, Elevate Styles, but she is available on Shop Hair Wigs today. I don't know if by the time you see this, will it be there, but she has two combs in the front, one in the back. And it looks like a very side part. Very, very side. Very side. So let's get her lace off and see what she looks like on my head. All right, let's get her on my head. Yes, she is a very left side part. Very. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Y'all, look how cute she is. I don't have to do anything. We're done. Look at this. It looks like I spent an hour doing my hair. Now, I will say this parting space is not ideal. It's very narrow. And I do have a uh nude color wig cap on, so it'd probably be better if I just had my hair or a darker one so that it would look like there's kind of some roots-ish stuff going on. She's so cute. Like this cut, I'm gonna go order this in other colors, like a regular color. This is stinking cute. Oh my gosh. There's nothing to do. I'm serious. Some of you might say there's something to do to this, but I'm good. I so good. Just like this. Looks like I curled it myself. Oh, she's so cute. Okay, let's test the big head friendliness. She is definitely big head friendly, and there's tons of stretch in there, so she is for sure big head friendly. Sorry, this comb is popping up. Pop, pop, popping. Get under. Thank you. Thank you. She is soft with texture. She's pretty lightweight. I would say the density is perfect. It's not too thin, but it's not dumb thick. There are some baby hairs, but they're like, I they're just kind of like sporadic. They aren't together with each other, if you will. My sweat is starting to get on here. Okay. Like, what else am I gonna say, man? There's just, I'm done. Video over. There's nothing to do to her. I think this might be the first time in the history of me doing reviews that there's literally nothing to do. Again, you could do something to the parting space, but so let's get a 360 of her. I'm like, I don't know what to do now. Let's go get a 360. All right, so that's the 360. She's cute. She's just super cute. I took my wig cap off, my wig grip cap off so that my dark hair would be showing through. It does look a little better, but it's still, you know, you may want to do something with powder in the part or root it, but really, you don't have to. You could use, she could use some dry shampoo, but she's not like stupid shiny. She's just wig shiny. You know what I mean? Like every wig is a little bit shiny at least. Um, I don't have anything bad to say about her. She's dumb cute. The style, the cut is amazing. It's like super cute and fun. These colors, if you didn't already know, I'm a sucker for these colors. I was in love with TT Rosemary, still am. And these are similar. It's more, it's like a, it is more strawberry shortcake than some of the other ones. Like the pink is I don't even know. Wow, I think it's supposed to be over here. Hold on. Yeah, okay. The ear tabs are where they should be. Let me see. Let me make sure here. Let me make sure here. This comb is doing weird things. Sir, ma'am, whatever you are. What are you doing? I don't know what that thing is doing. There's where it's supposed to be. There. The ear tabs are where they're supposed to be on my head, which is small to average size. So if you have a larger head, it may be a little bit more challenging to get those to stay. This comb keeps sticking out. I don't know what's going on there. Sometimes that happens. Let me look at this. What is going on with you? I think it's because the comb is at the ear tab. So, yeah, that's gonna be a weird, that's a weird placement. I mean, I guess that makes sense. Question mark. I can't remember the last time there was a comb at the ear tab because I think that's problematic, really. But, you know, it is what it is. So, there she is in all her glory. I haven't done anything to it. I don't want to brush it out because it's perfect this way. There's no shedding, and I don't really have anything bad to say. So she's lazy girl approved. She's big head friendly. She's just the right density. The style is amazing. The colors are amazing. She's super fun. What did I say she was? Oh yeah, we didn't even look at her, huh? HD lace, 5.5 inch hand tied part, and it's heat safe 400 degrees. It was 36.88 on Elevate Styles. They do have it on Shop Hair Wigs for 34.99. And they do have FFT Ginger Light, which is an amazing color. So I actually might order that one because I was in love with that color. So um I think S. Thompson, I think you said you got this in FFT Ginger Light. If you did, let me know if you like it. And if any of you, any of other of you, I can't talk, got this unit, let me know what you think of it as well. And everybody, let me know what you think in the comments. I'm in love with it. Am I just, I don't know, too obsessed with TT Rosemary type color, strawberry shortcake, if you will, and just am in love because of that? I don't know. Let me know what you think. And as always, thanks for hanging out and spending time with me. I will see you guys again soon. Bye.